The Keychron K3 version 3 is making waves as a versatile, low-profile, wireless mechanical keyboard. It sports a compact 75% layout, perfect for those who want to save desk space without sacrificing essential keys. The big upgrade here is the inclusion of QMK firmware, opening up a world of customization. Connectivity is flexible with both Bluetooth 5.2 and a wired Type-C option. Bluetooth 5.2 ensures a stable and reliable wireless connection, while the wired option is there for latency-sensitive tasks or when you need a charge. The real magic lies in the QMK firmware. This open-source firmware allows for extensive key remapping, creation of macros, and custom shortcuts. The Keychron Launcher web app simplifies the customization process, making it accessible even for those new to QMK. Users can tweak every key to their liking, optimizing the keyboard for specific workflows or games. The hot swappable feature is another highlight. The K3 uses Keychron's low-profile switches, which are 33% thinner than standard switches. The hot swappable design means you can easily swap out the switches without any soldering. This allows you to experiment with different switch types and find the perfect feel for your typing style. The model comes with low-profile brown switches, known for their tactile feedback without being too loud. The Keychron K3 is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux, making it a great choice for multi-platform users. The RGB backlighting adds a touch of flair, and you can customize the lighting effects through the QMK firmware. The combination of programmability, hot swappable switches, and wireless connectivity makes the Keychron K3 a compelling option for anyone looking for a customizable and portable mechanical keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.